Hey, as the owner of Edge151, probably the number one question I get is how we help businesses really transform. Well, today I'm going to pull back the curtain and walk you through the exact blueprint we use to help leaders just like you take back control, stamp out the chaos for good, and unlock the growth you know you're capable of. So, let's get right into it.
This right here, this is our North Star. Earn more, work less isn't just some catchy tagline we throw around. Nope, it's the core philosophy that drives every single decision we make and every process we optimize. We believe, fundamentally, that your business should serve you, not the other way around.
But look, to get there, we have to get real for a second. From the outside, your business might look fantastic, like a well-oiled machine. But behind the scenes, are you constantly putting out fires? Are there these hidden, nagging inefficiencies that are just draining your profits and, maybe more importantly, your energy? I've seen this play out time and time again, and trust me, you're not alone.
So, step one for us is always to diagnose the problem. Why? Because you can't fix what you can't see, and the true cost of all this operational chaos, well, it's usually hiding in plain sight.
I want you to picture an invisible anchor, right now, tied to your business, just weighing it down. That is exactly what disorganized processes do. Every wasted step, every little bottleneck, it all creates drag. It leads to wasted time, lost money, and stalled growth. And for you, the leader trying to steer the ship, it leads directly to burnout. Okay, so enough about the problem. Let's talk about the solution. The very first step to taking back control is getting crystal clear on what's actually happening. And we do that by creating a strategic blueprint of your entire operation.
We start by breaking your entire business down into these 4 essential pillars. Acquisition, that's simple, how you get customers. Delivery is how you do the amazing work you do for them. Administration, that's all the stuff that keeps the lights on, HR, finance, you name it. And post-service is how you turn happy customers into raving fans. This simple breakdown gives us this incredible bird's-eye view of your business.
And here's how we build that map. It's a simple 3-step process. First, we categorize all your functions into those 4 pillars. Easy enough. Then we dive a little deeper into the specific workflows inside each one. And finally, and this part is absolutely key, we define the clear beginning and end for every single workflow, what starts it and what does done look like. This process takes what feels like a giant tangled mess and turns it into a clear, actionable roadmap.
All right, so you've got your map. Now this is where the magic really happens. We can stop just reacting to things and start being truly strategic about where you focus your energy for growth.
And here's the big insight, the real aha moment for so many of our clients. Not every single one of those workflows you just mapped is created equal. Not even close. Some of them have a huge outsized impact on your bottom line and, most importantly, on your customer's experience. Our job is to find those workflows. We call this the critical path. Think of it like the golden thread that runs through your entire business. It's the most important journey you have, the one that takes someone from a curious prospect all the way to a loyal advocate who sings your praises. When we identify this path, we know exactly where to focus your time and resources to get the biggest bang for your buck. So this is what that journey looks like, right? It starts with that first inquiry, moves through sales, the project kickoff, the actual delivery, and ends with that crucial follow-up. Every step is a vital link in the chain. And when we lay it out like this, we can instantly spot the weak links, the potential bottlenecks that might be hurting the whole customer experience without you even realizing it.
Okay, so we've got our blueprint. We've identified the critical path. Now it's time to shift from just analyzing things to actually taking action. It's audit time. Our audit is a really powerful side-by-side comparison. We put your current, maybe chaotic workflows right next to what they could be, their future optimized state. And when you see the stark contrast between, say, wasted time and real predictability, or stalled growth and genuine profitability, suddenly the case for making a change becomes undeniable. Now here's a huge mistake a lot of people make. They try to fix everything at once. That's just a recipe for overwhelm and disaster. Instead, we get surgical. We prioritize what to fix based on its return on investment, its strategic impact, and frankly, how easy it is to implement right now. We always go after the biggest, most impactful wins first.
All right, finally, let's talk about how we make all of this transformation stick. Because this isn't about a one-time project. It's about embedding operational excellence so deep into your company that it just becomes part of its DNA.
See, true operational excellence is really a culture of continuous improvement. It's a living system, a constant feedback loop. You implement changes carefully, you monitor the results with clear numbers, you encourage open communication and get feedback from your team, you use technology to automate the wins you made, and pretty soon optimization isn't some special project, it's just how you do business.
And that, right there, is the ultimate goal. Everything we've covered today, the mapping, finding that critical path, the audit, the prioritization, it all leads to this one single destination, a business that runs smoothly, efficiently, and profitably, whether you're in the weeds every day or not.
So I'm going to leave you with this one question. What could you truly achieve if your business ran itself? Just think about the strategic work you could do, the new ideas you could explore, or just the sheer freedom you would have. That freedom, that's what earn more, work less is really all about.